SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn on the level for the camera on the iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to enable the level for the camera app on your iPhone so that you can more easily tell when a picture's contents are leveled, then you can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the camera option, and then you just need to scroll down to the composition section, and you can tap the button to the right of level to turn it on. Note that you might also want to turn on the grid option here, as that can be useful when trying to center objects in your camera finder as well. Once you have the level turned on, then you can just open the camera app, and as you focus on an object in the viewfinder, you're going to see that there's a little horizontal line that you just need to match up to make sure that the contents are level.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.